Today we're going to talk about the #1 mistake every guitar player makes. Hey, I'm Rastelli, and welcome to Guitar Talk and Walk. This is a show where I help you learn guitar by talking about the experiences I have teaching my students every week. So hopefully you can learn something too. So here's the thing. This one mistake that we all make, like even if we're a beginner or like even more advanced player, we all make it, and it has nothing to do with like how we put our fingers to play a chord, or how we practice, or how we do anything. If you know me, you know I love to talk about these kind of things, but this is like something that goes on in the mind mostly. So I'm going to share this story real quick so you can get an idea of what happens. My friend, she had family over this week, and she plays guitar, and she was excited to play for them. So she played for them and everything, and then she texts me, and I ask her, okay, so how did it go? And she's like, oh, it went terrible. I sucked. I was terrible, and blah, 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 blah. So when she said that, I was like, wait, what happened? did you freeze, or like did you lose it while playing for them? She was like, no, I just did terrible. And then I was like, okay, well, did they tell you you were terrible? And she was like, no, my mom loved it, my sisters, they all loved it. So I was like, why was it terrible? And then she just said that she felt it was terrible. And I know what she went through, because I went through it so many times. It's like when you just play and just tell yourself you sound terrible. So wherever you are in your guitar journey, like even if you're a beginner or a more advanced player or intermediate, you're always gonna have those moments where you can tell yourself you suck. Okay, there's always gonna be somebody that's better than you at playing the guitar. And that's just the way it is. And if you keep this mindset on always judging yourself on how you actually sound and how you are, when you play the guitar, you take all the fun away from it, okay? And it's good to criticize yourself, or just like to be critical when it's constructive, right? So if you're practicing and you want to get better at the song, definitely just like sit down and be like, okay, I wanna get better at this. So my E chord needs a little work, or like my C chord needs a little work, and I need to do these things in order to fix it. I'm all about that. But what I'm not all about, because I've been through it and it sucks, and it just hindered me for like so long, like years literally. I was in this mindset of when I was performing or just having fun, or just playing and just chilling, just like always judging myself about like how good or bad I was. So, and that just messes everything up. So that's basically the idea of this. Just you can't judge yourself too much, especially if you're at the beginning of your journey. There's always going to be people that are better than you, and like I've heard that a million times, and you probably did too, but hopefully you'll hear this one more time and you'll actually make a change. Because if it wasn't for me getting over this, I would have never been able to play professionally. And really, in the end, it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter how good or how bad you are, because like if you go somewhere and you just go and play your guitar and your strings don't ring or whatever, but you just like play it and you're having the time of your life and you're enjoying it, everybody's gonna enjoy it too, because like it's contagious. If you're having fun, everybody's gonna have fun too. So we all have to get out of our head at some point and just enjoy doing what we do. And really, like, the difference in between a professional and somebody that just dabbles and just play the guitar, of course they practice, they do all of these things, but one thing most of all is that they just got over this fear of judgment of others, and they got over the fact that they don't judge themselves as much. Okay, they stop judging themselves when we're performing. We're just totally into it, and we just do it, and we forget about like the little flat note here and there, the little buzz here and there. We forget about all that, and then we just have a great time, and everybody enjoys it too. So that's the idea for today. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe if you want to. I'm sharing more tips about like how to play the guitar, so that's what you get if you subscribe. You know, you're gonna get help, and plus, like, if you post a comment, I'll just read it and I'll say, okay, so here I might do like a little tutorial about this video that you want me to do or something like that. So yeah, definitely post in the comments, do all of this. If you want to learn guitar faster and just like learn songs faster, you can download your free ebook in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. See you on the next one.